To remove the smoky scent out of clothing, if you have clothing that maybe you were in a smoky bar or a campfire, or you bought some gently used clothing in an online shop like Poshmark. I also sell on Poshmark, and in the description I say these clothes are sold from a smoke-free home. But sometimes I buy from Poshmark and I might get a garment that may have a scent of smoke on it. What we have here is white vinegar, baking soda, DoTerra's lavender essential oil, and also DoTerra's On Guard laundry detergent in that little jar there. So what we're going to first do, begin by pouring some white vinegar into the container. Then we are going to take our baking soda, and you're going to watch this sizzle up. Then add in DoTerra's or a natural laundry detergent. Our target container is filled with water. Now we're going to add in DoTerra lavender essential oil. I would suggest 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I personally also love to add in lemongrass, so I'm going to do 2 drops of lemongrass, or you could do tea tree oil. That's a great one for helping to remove smoky scents out of clothing as well. Submerge the whole garment in water. I'm going to fill the more water in here to the top. Then let it sit there all night, and then the next day you're going to remove it from the water and air dry it. These are the best air drying hangers I've found so far. You can get these at Target. They're by Tide. They work wonderfully to hang the garment and let it air dry. Our garment is now fully dry, hanging on the air dry hanger we chose. Now you're going to take your Mr. Spray bottle or spray bottle of choice and gently spray the garment lightly. Personally, love to DIY my own room and linen sprays. DoTerra has this wonderful Mr. Spray bottle. It comes in a 2-pack on my DoTerra site for $12. To give a fresh scent to any space using the spray bottle of your choice, fill your spray bottle up with water and a little bit of witch hazel, because the witch hazel is going to help you mix the essential oils together with the water. So water, witch hazel, you can get witch hazel at Target. That bottle I think was $4. And you're only going to use a little bit. And then you're going to add in your favorite essential oils. You can do a DIY blend or use one of DoTerra's already blended oils and add in about 10 essential oil drops or more to each bottle, and let it sit for about 15 minutes before you go and spray. Mr. style gives a nice continuous spray. I absolutely love the DoTerra Abode line. These glass bottles, the spray style, are great with the rubber bottoms. And then they have the hand wash pumps that you can fill with the foaming hand wash. And it gives you a line of where to fill it at. You're going to fill the hand wash foam to about here, then fill the rest with water. That saves on soap as well. Instead of just using liquid soap, you're going to save a lot of money that way. And it comes out in a nice foaming style. Whoop. That's the plastic style there, and then we have the glass. The reusable glass spray bottles with the rubber bottoms are perfect for cleaning. DoTerra diffusers are a wonderful way to keep any room scented and feeling naturally fresh and healthy and good. And this is their new pilot diffuser, which is a travel diffuser. You can take it anywhere. It's made for traveling in your car and to put in your cup holder. You can put it at your office. It has a USB plug. It comes with this nifty case. The travel diffuser case is perfect. Put your oils on this side, your USB plug is on that side. It fits perfectly. Close it, zip it up. Fill your Pilot DoTerra Travel Essential Oil Diffuser with water and about 5 drops of essential oils of your choice. This is the perfect travel size essential oil diffuser. I absolutely love it. You really can take it anywhere. DoTerra's marketplace has some beautiful cases for carrying your essential oils. This one has the DoTerra logo on the front. Zipper closure. Put your roller bottles in at the top there, and at the bottom also you can hold your bottles. This one I take on the go with me all of the time. I absolutely love it. And then this case is of course the travel mini essential oil diffuser case. Really simple, healthy lifestyle living tip is to use essential oils every day. Your body can crave these plant oils. They feel so good. They're so healing. They're super healthy. These are some of the ones by DoTerra that I absolutely love and use every single day. In the summertime, I love using Citrus Bloom. It's really brightening, energizing, smells fruity. It just wakes you right up in the morning, along with wild orange, grapefruit, and also citrus bliss is one of my favorites. I love cupping it, putting a drop in my hands and cupping my hands together and just breathing it in. It's so brightening and it feels really good. Makes you feel happy. Serenity I use every single night before I go to bed. It's a restful blend. It's super, super calming. This scent is absolutely beautiful. Balance, I love using that in the mornings or midday, especially if I have a heavy work day. It makes me feel centered, calm, just really balanced, and my mind feels good. It's a wonderful feeling oil. Lemon Sassy is another one of my favorites. It's a metabolic blend. It's good for your metabolism. It's good for digestion, gut health. Apply it right at the belly button area. It has ginger in it. If you have a little bit of a tummy ache, use that one, and the digestion blend by DoTerra. These two work wonderfully together. I absolutely love these. Breathe essential oil is one I cannot leave the house without. It's perfect for allergies. It also, when I go to Target, sometimes they spray this synthetic scent into the air right when you walk into Target. It really bothers my allergies. And so I pull out my Breathe and dab it on my nose so that I can even get through Target. So this Breathe oil is with me all of the time. I absolutely love this one.